Today I will be reviewing this OnSurf 1440p webcam for my laptop. So let's open it. Here it is. So on the website, this is $27. And I also got if you want another connecting cable for my laptop. So it comes with this pretty small camera and then the cord, and it comes with a manual. So let's try to connect it. So it says in the website this is plug and play, so I don't have to download anything. So those are the instructions. Let's try to connect it. So there's a tripod thing in the bottom. So you could insert a tripod in here if you want to use a tripod, and you could also attach it here. So that's what I'm going to do. It's film. Just like that.